Hi and welcome to Module 1. In this module, we'll be talking about limits. So I'm going to give you a brief introduction and talk about how you can get started. So in pre-calculus, you looked at a lot of functions, but for the most part, they were ordinary functions. You saw quadratics, where the graph looks like a parabola. You saw lines, probably for the second or third time in your math careers. And you may have seen a few other functions, such as rational functions, where you have an asymptote at a certain x value or y value. Now in calculus, you're also going to see some unusual functions. So they're going to be unusual in that there's going to be values where there's no x value or y value. So for instance, you'll see a function that has a hole in the center of it at just one point. We call those holes discontinuities. You might see other functions that are piecewise functions, where the pieces don't match up, where there's a gap between two pieces. That's another kind of discontinuity. You may see functions with asymptotes or multiple asymptotes, where the function doesn't exist at those values for x and y. So our first big idea in Chapter 1, or Module 1, is called limits. And limits are going to address some of the issues that we have with these functions. We'll discover if there really is a x or y value at some of those points, or what's happening really at the function. So to get started in Module 1, you're going to go ahead and click on the Module 1 below and start in the first section, 1.2. Now your textbook starts in 1.1. That's a good overview of some of the things you're going to see throughout the course this year. If you'd like to skim it, that's a good idea, but there won't be any homework or testing on that section. So for each section, you're going to skim through the book, look at the problems, and then view the videos online. These are very short videos, so you should be able to get through them in a decent amount of time. Feel free to use the start and stop rewind as you view the videos. That's one of the nice things about an online class, is you can really speed it up or slow it down however you need for that particular section. So good luck, and post any questions to the Module 1 forum or email me with any other concerns.